That is a cow.
That is a cow.
That is a cow. How many horns does it have?
It has two horns.
It has two horns. Cow-க்கு two horns இருக்கு. Horns-னா என்ன? கொம்பு. Horns-னா என்னது? கொம்பு. How many tail does it have?
One has one tail.
Very good. It has
One tail.
one tail.
One tail.
How many tail?
One tail.
One tail. What does it give?
Milk.
What does it give?
Milk.
Say it in sentence.
Milk.
Huh?
It gives milk.
Very good. It gives
It gives
milk.
milk.
Cow gives us
Cow gives us
milk.
milk.
Is a domestic animal or wild animal?
Domestic animal.
Ah, very good. It is a domestic animal.
It is a
Cow is a domestic animal.
domestic